Go.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My dear brothers, I am standing in front of me in the rail bridge. You all know that it is very magnificent moment for every person who are living in this territory and who are dwelling in this state. Because you know that when we will strive to go and when we attempt to go to Dhaka, at this moment we are suffering the very jam crisis. So it is very important and needed for this for the people of this territory. So I will show the weather of this rail bridge. It is very magnificent weather to see and to look at the picture. So when you will enter and to go and you will come to visit and to travel like this magnificent weather, absolutely your mind will be fresh at that moment. So we have to refresh our mind from every pollute equipment and every time, because you know that and we are suffering much time and many times the humanitarian disaster. So at that moment we have to clear our mind from everything, as we can exploit the whole time to, and we can exploit our mind to attentively on the work. And you know that and nearly when you will fresh your mind from everything and you will enjoy and to travel, absolutely we can understand and we can listen and we can teach and much more things from much more things. Okay, that's why I, according to that, I have traveled in this moment in the like this memorable and like this magnificent